Gates open, they're up and racing. Loving Me draws for your lead. Cornati Islands is right behind in second, racing in third, Vodakrem. Then running on the outside is Spinning Jenny, and Valiantly is running at the tail of the field as they race towards the half-mile pole. Cornati Islands running by the rail. Loving Me saw the outside is Spinning Jenny, is racing in third, followed by Vodakrem moving up on the outside Valiantly as they race at the last 600. Cornati Islands running by the rail, joining them now on the outside is Spinning Jenny to take the lead. Loving Me drops back in third as they race at the last 450. Is Spinning Jenny. Cornati Islands running by the rail. Loving Me remains in third. Valiantly now moving up by the rail, and down the stretch they come. Is Spinning Jenny by about a length. Running by the rail is Cornati Islands. Moving up by the rail is entry number 3, Valiantly. Loving Me on the outside with 75 meters up the race. It's all is Spinning Jenny, Cornati Islands, Valiantly, Loving Me, and Vodakrem.
Okay, 5-1-3-4 to ating unofficial order of arrival.